Hello and welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. Let's learn how to install JDK for Android Studio. So this is the setup. Double click on the JDK setup. A window appears. Click on yes option. So do you want to allow this app? Click yes. When you click on yes option, a window pop-ups. So here click on next option for installation. Again click on the next option. Click on OK option. Click on next option. Within minute it will be installed. Click on close option. Setup is installed. Now on the desktop screen, right click on this PC option. Click on properties. Systems window appears. In this, to the left side, click on advanced system settings. In this, click on environment variables to the bottom. Now in user variables, click on new option and into variable name type path PATH. For variable value, open C drive. Double click on C drive. Click program files. Click Java. Into Java file, click JDK 11. Next step is click on bin option. Now click on the address bar at the top. Only click once. Copy this address and paste into variable value. Type semicolon and click OK. Now let's set system variables. Click on new option again. Type variable name Java_home. For variable value, paste the same address. Remove bin option. Type slash and type semicolon. Press on OK option. Now the variable is set successfully. Press OK, OK. Now to check if it is installed or not, into the search type CMD or command prompt. Command prompt window gets open. Into the window type command javac and press enter. So the installation and setup is done successfully. Do not forget to hit the red subscribe button. Thank you for watching.